Meet John. John's computer has been running very slow for a while and he didn't know why. He knew he should get it fixed because he relies on it for everything, including work, entertainment, and socializing. John's computer became so frustrating that he knew if he left it any longer, he was risking losing everything on it. So John called us. Our qualified repair technicians were able to find the problem quickly. We explained to John exactly how we could fix it. No confusing geek speak or technical jargon. Just a simple explanation and a reasonable repair bill. Now John's computer is back running like new and his personal data and precious photographs are all safe again. Get your computer running right again like John did. Call a professional today.